yesterday. Got nothing new to talk about, got nothing new to say. Anyway, I fell in love with a girl downtown, then she walked away.
Just stopped to eat something, and we've already done 200 miles. I mean, it is 3:30, but still 200 miles, 3:30. So yeah, everything after that's kind of just extra. Did my daily look over on the bike, midday look over. Tires are getting, they're not full tread anymore. There was a rip there from just a previous crash or something. I'm still working with this chain guard here, the rubber piece. It wants to come forward. Trying to get it pulled back and yeah, keep it there. I'll probably put another zip tie on it tonight. Everything else looks pretty good. Front tires also look pretty good actually. I mean, compared to the back. Definitely fine. Brakes look fine. Front. Used quite a bit of brakes. Mountains definitely do a lot. There she is so far. Pretty good. Pretty reliable. Like it.
Those pretty eyes of yours. You took me down onto the ocean and kissed me on the shores. You told me then that we've reached the end, neath that setting sun. I hate you so much, I stole your bicycle. It's all said and done, now honey, you won. I'm gonna leave for a while, walk out the door, forget my troubles and move to Memphis, maybe change my name. Ever since you left me, cried at your door, I'll never be the same. I'll never be the same.
Well, did over 310 miles yesterday, so pretty good, best day yet. And I figured out where I'm going to get my tires changed, and I figured out where I'm going to do some laundry later today. Probably do the tire change tomorrow. That'll be in Trinidad, Colorado. So, getting ready to go today. Pretty much have everything packed up, and yeah, start the day. Well, it is certainly a pretty good place for windmills because it's pretty windy here, especially when it's a headwind. So I took the GoPro off for a little while because it was too much of a wind sail on my neck. So, but it's pretty much all the same for quite a while, it looks like. Well, a lot more of these roads, and looks pretty much the same. I had my first actual issues though. The chain slider is now missing completely, so now it's just metal on metal. So I'm gonna figure that out. It's only about 380 miles to the shop that I was planning on going to. I'm gonna see if I can put some maybe duct tape / Gorilla Tape down to try to just make it not metal on metal. It'll wear away quick, but it might be something. And the other thing was the oil temperatures were a little weird today. I thought it was because of the headwind, so it was keeping the oil temperatures pretty low because it was blowing it right into the oil cooler. But I just pulled out the dipstick and I'm not seeing anything on the dipstick, so that's not good. So I might go right back to the town I was just at and see if I can get at least some oil or something, because well, that's not good. So yeah, a couple problems, but figure it out. So the bike was about 1.5 quarts low. Now if you know how much oil this holds, it's 2 quarts, so I only had half a quart left. I don't know where it went. I'm a little suspicious up here. I did spill a little oil. I don't have a funnel or anything, but I didn't spill that much. There is some oil around here now. It's a little bit concerning because there's 1.5 quart missing. I assume fairly recently. If I had to guess, it was on that one road. You know the one I'm talking about. For the chain slider, we got did a fuel line hose, and then I just put some zip ties through it, and then that way it should be able to run on that. I think that'll be pretty good actually. So, but yeah, going to be monitoring the oil very closely now. Shop's about 390 miles now. Yeah, making a beeline for that. Doing pretty 50-55 on the back roads, not the trails. So I'll be doing the easy way for a little while till Colorado there. And it'll get prettier in Colorado anyway, so yeah, just try and make it to the shop now. Alright, it is an hour past sunrise. Doing pretty well. Got everything put away already, and got the new fuel line hose on here. If you see, it looks a little bit better this time because it's not rubbing on the zip ties at all. It's gonna ride up top here, and hopefully the zip ties will stay clear of the chain. If they can stay clear of the chain, then that should really help them stay there and not just get torn away. It is amazing how hot it gets, how quickly. It was 63 last night, and the sun came out and it is already hot. So ready to get moving now. To the bike store, about 3 hours, well, probably about 4 hours, 200 miles. Let's get it.